Hi guys, we've got the Apprentice today and he's replacing a drop link on this Skoda Fabia. It's not a Fabia, it's a Yeti. Come show you.
Yes.
What's the first thing you're going to do?
From now?
Yeah. We've got the wheel off, so what's the first thing you're going to do now with the wheel off? Wheel off.
Take the drop off. No. With the hub first.
No, you're going to spray it with Freeze's Pro from DC Lubricants. Do you know why? It's because this reduces the temperature, so it shrinks the net, or shrinks the bolt, so we can take it off easier without it seizing. Okay. Work smarter, not harder. See, we're going to use the correct stuff to get it done nice and easy. Hang on, it's in reverse.
Yeah.
On 3. Well then, buddy boy. You see how that just come off then?
I do.
They usually seize.
Yes.
But because we use that Freeze's, yeah, the thread shrunk, nut spun off nice and easy.
You did.
Using quality parts makes the job a lot easier, makes things better for the customer as well, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we need to undo the bottom one now. Should be wearing gloves really.
Yeah.
Go on Yeti man. Go on you Yeti man, because that moustache you're growing.
The side bin comes in now, isn't it?
Look at you.
Reminds me of patch like it was there.
Yeah. Twist that. One sec. With that angle, you're going to be a bit more leverage on, so just hit it from the top. I'll probably get into trouble for telling you to do that. That's it. That's it. That's not it. You're doing good though. That's so good, lad. Further look. You got a little metal shoulder there. You're going to do, because we don't really care about breaking the boot because we're replacing it. You're going to clamp that on it. That's probably going to have to be adjusted. So if you clamp those pliers onto it, they're quite thin, so they probably won't damage the boot. With full size ones, definitely will. You might need to adjust that up a bit. That's it. Not too much.
Yeah, put it back down there.
Make sure it's on that metal shoulder though, okay? It doesn't really matter so much because
it's on there,
it.
On there.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Obviously, if we weren't replacing it and you were changing like the shock or something like that, then you don't want to damage the boot. But being we're replacing it, it's not a huge issue. Yeah, it's too tight then. Just adjust it off. Go on here, man. There we are. Now just, that's going to turn, but it will lock up against the lower arm, so it should be alright.
What?
No, I didn't say anything. I just laughed at you. So I think you're hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it, Seabird. That's it. Yeah, so that nut's off, but because we're only changing one drop link, that car is jacked up, so the anti-roll bar has got it under tension where it's trying to push it back down. So the way we overcome that, is a little check. He already knows, like he knows, he learns sometimes. We're going to chuck a jack underneath the control arm, jack it up to road height, then that will take the tension off it and get it where it should be. Now with that jacked up, it just pops out. The tension's taken off of it and it comes out. You can drop the new one in now. There you go. You've taken the nut off one end, you have to take the nut off the other end. Keeping it jacked up, just slide it straight in.
It needs to go down, I think.
Ooh.
A little bit.
There we are. Take the nuts up. Here you go. He's doing so well with that. I'm going to let him choose his own paint pen. Don't talk down, but you have to paint it then so you know that you've done it properly. You're going to pick green. Seriously, out of all the colours you could pick, you're going to pick green. That's good, I didn't want you to pick yellow.
You like yellow?
Yeah. You actually want green, yeah? Oh, sweet. And then just put a little bit across the bolt, the nut, sorry, the thread, and where it's mounted to on the shock.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it moves, you can see. And if it's been tampered with, we can see.
Yeah, it's like on there as well.
Yeah, just a line across the 3 parts. born natural.